every now and then, for eternity. God bless the day when He gave me you. Every now and then, for a lifetime, I'll bless this day and cherish your faith in me. I'm gonna pray with you, walk with you, stay with you until the end. I'm gonna laugh with you, cry with you, breathe with you all my days. The road may be rough, vague and dark, bleak and tough. I promise to cherish you with all my heart.
In all my dreams, my earnest hope, I wish you well every minute, every day. In all my dreams, my dearest friend, may the Lord protect you in every way. I'm gonna pray with you, walk with you, stay with you until the end. I'm gonna laugh with you, cry with you, breathe with you all my days. The road may be rough, vague and dark, bleak and tough. I promise to cherish you with all my heart. I'm gonna pray with you, walk with you, stay with you until the end. I'm gonna laugh with you, cry with you, breathe with you all my days. The road may be rough, vague and dark, bleak and tough. I promise to cherish you with all my heart.
Surgi undo Jesu nimo Angka oslo favor naslo Amto Jesu Chevor salo Amche akle Boke Paulo Ye Jesu Begitu ye Otwoduka Give up rauta Ye Jesu Begitu ye
I always thought I'd be a rambling man, living in the moment, never making plans. Finding love was just a dream I was having, written in the movies, never thought it would happen. I tried to fill my loneliness with a whiskey, and empty nights with different girls that never missed me. Funny how when you least expect it, everything could change. Baby, it's you You know I love it when your hair's a mess, the way you shine when you wear that dress. Girl, I don't think that you understand. You make me a better man. Baby, it's you I've been looking for. I knew right from the second you came walking through that door. It feels so right when you're in my arms. Darling, it's you I've been looking for. Just like blue on the sea, our love won't fade, it's evergreen. Girl, the best part of me is you. Baby, it's you I've been looking for. I knew right from the second you came walking through that door. It feels so right when you're in my arms. Darling, it's you I've been looking for.
Do you love the rain? Does it make you dance when you're drunk with your friends at a party? What's your favorite song? Does it make you smile? Do you think of me? When you close your eyes, tell me, what are you dreaming? Everything I wanna know it all. I'd spend 10,000 hours and 10,000 more. Oh, if that's what it takes to learn that sweetheart of yours. And I might never get there, but I'm gonna try. If it's 10,000 hours or the rest of my life, I'm gonna love you. Do you miss the road that you grew up on? Did you get your middle name from your grandma? When you think about you forever now, do you think of me? When you close your eyes, tell me, what are you dreaming? Everything I wanna know it all. I'd spend 10,000 hours and 10,000 more. Oh, if that's what it takes to learn that sweetheart of yours. And I might never get there, but I'm gonna try. If it's 10,000 hours or the rest of my life, I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you. Oh, want the good and the bad, everything in between. Oh, gotta cure my curiosity. Oh yeah, I'd spend 10,000 hours and 10,000 more. Oh, if that's what it takes to learn that sweetheart of yours. And I might never get there, but I'm gonna try. If it's 10,000 hours or the rest of my life, I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you. Yeah. It's such a beautiful night to make a change in our lives. East tangling sky, empty bottle of wine. I got you by my side, talking about love and life. Oh, how lucky am I when I look in your eyes. What a wonderful way to spend a moment or two, to be lying awake and be here talking to you. I got something to say, I know what I gotta do to be making a change, now the moment of truth. Why am I feeling so nervous when things are going so perfect? But I know that it's worth it to spend forever with you. And so I count 2, 3 and get on one knee and I ask you, darling, honestly, I've waited all this time just to make it right. So I'll ask you tonight, will you marry me? Just say yes. One word, one love, one life. The gentle touch of the hand, fingers running through hair, lips pressed to her lips, so I was caught unaware. Arms holding me tight, tears in both of her eyes. What a beautiful way to spend the rest of our lives. The sun will reappear, burning all in red. My chest was the pillow, green grass lawn was the bed. Last night was the night, one last moment of truth. And what a wonderful way of falling deeper in you. Why was I feeling nervous when things were going so perfect? But now I know that it's worth it to spend forever with you. And so I count 2, 3 and get on one knee and I ask you, darling, honestly, I've waited all this time just to make it right. So I'll ask you tonight, will you marry me? Just say yes. One word, one love, one life.
Not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak. In that very moment I found the one, and my life had found its missing piece. So as long as I live, I love you, will heaven hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. What we have is timeless, my love is endless, and with this ring I say to the world, you're my every reason, you're all that I believe in. With all my heart I mean every word. So as long as I live, I love you, will heaven hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. You look so beautiful in white, yeah, yeah. Na 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 na, so beautiful in white tonight. And if a daughter is what our future holds, I hope she has your eyes, finds love like you and I did. Yeah.
And if she falls in love, we'll let her go. I'll walk her down the aisle. She looks so beautiful in white. Yeah, yeah.
Clap your hands louder.
Not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak.
Good evening, everyone. My dear Peter Emma, it is my privilege to wish you on this occasion. You must be waiting for this occasion for last 25 years. Finally, the day has arrived, and arrived for happiness of all of us. Each one of us wish you the best. All happiness, all joy. And you have created this day for your only daughter, Pearl. We join you on this occasion, a single privileged occasion. Many don't reach this stage of silver. But we wish you as much as many years better than whatever you. You started 25 years back for this journey, and you have arrived for the platform of 25. On my behalf and on behalf of each and every one, we wish you not only happiness, but joy. The joy which you had the day your family was completed 20 years back. And I believe that Pearl also is happy to be present on this occasion. Your father and mother have created this day. They struggled, they loved, they shared their love, and you came in this world. And they made every day a better day for you. Your happiness was their happiness. They were joyful, they are joyful, and they are happy. And with them, we also are happy to celebrate this day. I won't eulogize, I won't say about the qualities of any one of them and of both of them. But we can just be sure that every one of us know that Peter has been in that same career, in the same job for all these years to make his family happy. To be happy, to make them happy. The same I can say about Emma. She has been professional, and in her profession, she treated the life. Every one of us, we want to live, and Emma was giving life to many of us. She was caring for many of us, and we know how dedicated she was. Pearl kept her parents happy. She has done her job of studying and reaching to a quite a high stage. I won't give any advice. You don't require advice. A people who lived happily for 25 years will continue living for, I don't say. I'm not wishing you something. No. You wish and God will give you. God has given you, and we have always shared in your happiness. Now let's all say happy anniversary of 25 years. Happy Silver Jubilee, Peter, Emma, the family, and especially Paul. Hello? Come on. Cheers. Cheers. Cheers and cheers. Cheers, all of you. On your behalf,
Solo तुम्ही sacrament काजराचो आयजी गोचेन परत एक बोट जालो दोन काळजाचो आवाज एक आटीचो एक बोट तो सासनाचो देवा तुमच्या एक बोटाचेर आशीर्वाद घालचो Sakramentaच्या बानपासान तुमकां दोगांयकूय एकबानली आठार केदां तुमी गोवानी बाल जाली सातव्या Sakramentaच्या बानपासान तुमकां दोगांयकूय एकबानली आठार केदां तुमी गोवानी बाल जाली Kazari jividato rosto fula cardiato Visvasan sogliato rosto zata sukanto Ubado bois purun ek vod samara tumso Devan tumso ek vod sodakal rapso Le तुम्ही सोडले म्हूण जाय आमची खोशेन बोली आशिल्ली काळजां आयज आनीक जाली ले तुम्ही सोडले म्हूण जाय आमची खोशेन बोली आशिल्ली काळजां आयज शिवा. थँक्यू.
गीत गाऊया. तुझे कुटुंब एकठांय जाता. बाबा आमचो तूं मुकुटाय, आमचे मोदेचे सुख दाताय. हो मोगोल कुंदीन वासाकूंक, आपले जिवीत तुका भेटूंक. तुझे कुटुंब एकठांय जाता, भावात विश्वास मुगुतारता. तुझे कुटुंब एकठांय जाता, भावात विश्वास मुगुतारता.
बोस सर्गींच्या बापा, ह्या दिसाक आमकां लग्नाचीं 25 वर्सां फावो केल्ल्या पासत आमी तुका दिन वाचताव. ह्या 25 वर्सांक आमच्या जिवितांत आयलेलें दूख आनी संतोश आमी तुका भेटयताव. आमच्या फुडल्या जिवितांत आमी मोगान एकवटान आनी विश्वासपणान रावूंक तुजी कृपा मागताव. आमचे काजारी एकवटान एके दुयेचे देण्या खातीर आमी तुका आर्गां दिताव. तेच पोरी आमचे कुशलकायेंत वांटो घेतल्या ह्या सगल्या भावा भयणांचेर आशिर्वाद घाल म्हूण मागताव. आमेन.
Juramento tuka dita nege trajer, pateu turau ya moja utrajer. Ai bori sobit fula ved fuloila tia karzajer, koje visorau gal tolotajer. Sonri porelip lagu pani, dore kityak motai dukani. Pole aja moja doreani, biuna kai galsona kodiri. Dilele utor awe zona negar, mola di kibe dovo tolo agar. Tuje vishi kai spunnagar, sosara toslo sungar. Kidia kaja karza zatai fugar. Gotais coria bunia mogaci, asonda goi kushi kazaci. Tonsu water tai duty fudaraci. Somdirace u doksa zaucena, gulabaच्या झाडाक शेवती फुलचिनान. तशेंच ह्या मोच्या काळजाचेर इगरार कोणा सोलमोचिनान. काळजांत फुलोयलेल्या फुलाक पेस्टू घालचिना. काळजाक फुलोयलेल्या फुलाक पेस्टू घालचोना.
आमच्या शेजऱ्यात आसा 빛에 올랐어 난 달고다웠어 뭐가 거반도루가 쉐다두가 뭐가 거반도루가 쉐다두가 라라라라라라 라라라라라라 Uplice novela Non episoda kakela Uklik poltockie ungiela Klikun piso zala Yo Moga Kopando Kasheta tuka Yo Moga Kopando Kasheta tuka La 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 Yo Moga Kopando Kasheta tuka Yo Moga Kopando Kasheta tuka I help you see forever to hold me now, touch me now. I don't wanna live without you. That's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how I love you. The world may change my whole life through, but I'll never ask for more than yours. That's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how I love you. The world may change my whole life through, but nothing's gonna change my love for you.
Mama I love, ani bate pona liplo. Mama I love, ani bate pona liplo. Ani madori japira na taka yaka kasa hailo. Ani madori japira na taka yaka kasa hailo. Ya maya ya maya ya maya ya maya ya maya ya maya ya. Morgon teu jagueiro, mete que ela é redondo. Morgon teu jagueiro, mete que ela é redondo. Tá direito, tiro na tata, bacana correndo pendo. Tá direito, tiro na tata, bacana correndo pendo. Tá caiu com pacaloceta, buracan galo no tondo. Tá caiu com pacaloceta, buracan galo no tondo. Are pakla choi na kare chedu no bail rando. Are pakla choi na kare chedu no bail rando. Ya maya ya maya ya maya ya maya ya maya ya maya ya. ranandu, farar far, zatai ranandu, farar far, zatai ranandu, farar far, zatai ranandu, rane mata paklenku, pakle mata raneku, rane mata paklenku, pakle mata raneku, farar far, zatai ranandu, farar far, zatai ranandu, farar far, zatai ranandu, farar far, zatai ranandu, ya ya maya ya, 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 ya ya maya ya. Como a pera verde, milus e não se pode comer. Como a pera verde, milus e não se pode comer. Ai, luz e milus e não cuspi no chão. Ai, luz e milus e não cuspi no chão. Cuspir no meu peito, me luz e rega e coração. Cuspir no meu peito, me luz e rega e coração. Ai, Maria Pitache, oh 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 Maria Pitache. Oh Maria Pitache, 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 Bacana Maria Pitache, oh 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 Maria Pitache, voices Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache, everybody Maria Pitache, oh 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 Maria Pitache.
began this journey. Looking back over the years, it's amazing to think how far we have come. To begin with, I thank my dear wife, who has been my pillar of strength. Praise to be God for blessing our marriage with the gift of our daughter. I would like to express my gratitude to the members of the Guirdolim Club for providing this space. A heartfelt thanks to Brother Alleluia for raising the toast. Sincere appreciation goes to Dolly DiCunha for carving the showpieces. And many thanks to Elvino for toasting the champagne. A big thanks to Jovitan and Connie Photography for capturing our beautiful moments, as well as Maverick Kantao and Ayana Fernandez for the musical echoes, along with Ansel singing a song in Hayden for the decoration. A heartfelt thanks to Agnello and Annie for the urban caterers and Dinah for arranging the flavorful delicacies. My genuine appreciation to all our friends for sparing their time and helping us to make this event a great success. To conclude with, I thank each and every one of you who are present here to witness this quarter century of my marriage. May the Almighty shower the blessings, shower His choicest blessing upon you all. Thank you very much.